The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall. So there's a few things going on social media right about now that you might want to know about. One is that of the pastor and the Rasta, they finally made peace. You know the whole incident where the pastor and the Rasta fight, hold your position, well they somehow find it within themselves to make peace. We are going to show you that because the pastor did a little interview. And Candy WoW says that she has not received any payments for a performance that she did at Spice's birthday party. Or should I say for an appearance that she did at Spice's birthday party. And I'm going to play that video. Let you hear what she says as she explains what happened and saying something about the manager, you know, and I'll tell you something more about that. And as well, I'm going to play an audio that is from Candy's mother explaining a little bit more towards the whole situation with the whole Candy saying that she did not get any money and so on. You know, it's like a big thing going on right about now with the whole Candy say that she don't get any pay for performing at Spice's show. Alright, but first up, we are gonna make you take a look into the whole pastor versus Rasta thing. You know, the pastor and the Rasta, they made peace. That's it, I told you. However, he did an interview and I'm just going to let you hear a little small amount of the interview because I can't play the whole thing. So take a listen at this little bit and observe.
It's a weapon against him, so he's going to run. So using the word now, hold your position, it just, I make him get ignorant because he never eat. When time you make him look like him and him eat again when you point him out.
Alright, so there you have it, the pastor explaining a little bit about the situation. You know the thing already, the pastor is explaining what is what and you know the whole scenario. However now, Candy WoW now says that she has not received any payments for her appearance at Spice's birthday party, and she is practically saying that it is the manager that has not paid her. But you don't know the thing already. As always, I gotta always play a video, right? But the video that I'm going to play is like Candy WoW is explaining that she hasn't got any money and she's going to find new management and all those things. So take a listen, look, and observe.
Kid and I deal with my good people, so I run away. I know I love my all, but I just can't bother with that. No more. So, I go get a different manager to try to deal with it. That's what I say? Yeah. Yeah. So I make kiddo deal with it. I make somebody else deal with my thing. So I look now. I look nice. Last night at Spice. Now I look bug out.
Spice now make Candy work for free. You know cool. You know use the little girl man. You know too wicked man. He hungry and we have to give him food. You know too blood clot wicked management. The girl walk without money. Hungry and a blood clot.
You hear? Them not deal with me right.
Yo.
So you know what I'm going to do? Low up my
Now come back to you. Where?
Is it?
How we bust her?
See them there, them bust me.
Now come back to you. Where? Why use the little girl? Spice a woman when I beg nothing or beg no free. I tell about Spice beg a girl free show. And you don't collect nothing there for Spice. I tell for me Spice. I tell for me Spice. Spice not beg nothing.
Alright, so there you have it. That is Candy WoW explaining her side of the story and how she feel about the situation, saying that she hasn't received any form of payments whatsoever for her appearance at Spice's show. However, the manager that Candy WoW is now saying that she didn't get any money from this manager, which is known as Kiddo, he explained on an interview, he explained that the show was merely for promotional purposes. there was no agreement for any form of money or anything. It was just for Candy WoW to get exposure. As much as Kiddo said that Candy WoW mother have something else to say towards the whole situation of Candy WoW saying that she has not received any payment. So right about now, I'm going to play an audio of Candy WoW's mother. Let you hear what she has to say towards the whole situation of what Candy was saying. Alright? Observe.
People, good afternoon. And listen to this, I'm going to make you know the 100 of this who are going with Candy. She accompanied this and I tell you about that and this. But let me tell you the real thing now. She want to go and smoke, drink, party and do what she feel for do. But show the mother a governor, all her now one way, she don't want the life there. She want the life where she dirty. Kiddo, she tell the man, say the man rob and the man do this. The man don't rob Candy and nothing at all. It's every clothes that she have on are uptown. Each clothes the man buy for her and each year she do 1 year in a 3 year in a 1 day. So what she telling her, I be a lie not she telling. So I'm going to tell her this. She don't want to against her mother. She right for no one against her mother because she want to go wear people all broke, all shoes and people dirty drawers. So she don't want good. So you know what we're going to do now? We just have to just leave her and see what go on. So me don't like on the clear Kiddo name from what she tell because she's ungrateful. Because the man put out him best. Gangolo put out them best. Kiddo wife got all the way for her. Me and them up and down. Me have my job and me have to quit my job for Candy. Just to steer her the real way. She have an 8-year-old daughter where I look up to her and she gonna do this to the little girl. Come on, people. You don't have sense. You don't know about this. Candy not normal. Candy a liar and Candy will tell you all type of things. So, you don't listen this, take this. Is our mother this I speak to you now. So, you sit down and make Candy tell you no bag of rubbish. Listen me, man. Listen me and listen me good. Spice thing is not a peer show. It's Kiddo. Call Spice on her phone and beg Spice like a baby to put her up on her show. So when she goes say she don't get paid for Spice something, lie. Not no goes and only knows the Spice show a free show. A 3 ticket the man get and we don't pay the money, we're going free same way. Because when Spice here say Candy in the building because the show it for up and a Spice here her name she bring it to till after 2. So she can tell them the real thing. It's me like she tell you no. So me her mother and me I tell you no. She want to smoke, drink and go back to the state that oh she want to be. And to me no want that. She will tell you all type of thing about me. So listen this and watch this good.
Alright viewers and subscribers, so there you have it. The pastor did an interview plus the pastor and the Rasta made peace. You know, the pastor said that it's because he said hold your position or so forth, it might have got the Rastafarian angry. A lot of people would love to hear the Rastafarian side of the story. However, it seems as if the Rastafarian is keeping his silence towards the situation. And about Candy WoW saying that she has not gotten any payment, Candy WoW explained how she feel about the situation and there was no money while she was saying that her manager didn't give her any money and she felt that there was money given, you know, as to what she said. But however, the mother says something else different and the mother says that Candy doesn't want good and more things to it and so on. And Candy WoW's manager said that the show is just promotional purposes only, there was no money involved as he was just trying to get the exposure for Candy. Alright viewers and subscribers, so let me know what you think about everything that I just presented to you. Is it that there is a misunderstanding between Candy and her management? What do you think about what Candy's mother said towards the situation? And how do you feel about the pastor and the Rastafarian making peace? Let me know everything in the comment section, what you feel, what you think, and what you could add as an input towards this kind of things that has been going on social media. Alright, but anyway viewers and subscribers, I don't know me only here to keep you up to date and posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Unu big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Skilla.